Ethan, I've been thinking a lot about your future and I believe I have found the perfect girl for you. She comes from a respectable family, she's intelligent, and I'm sure you'll get along well. What do you think?
Mom, I appreciate your concern and efforts, but there's something I need to tell you. I have already found someone I love, and she's the one I want to spend my life with.
Oh, Ethan. When did this happen? Why didn't you tell me earlier?
I'm sorry, Mom. It's just that I wasn't sure how you would react. Her name is Emily, and she's an amazing person. We've been together for a while now, and I know she's the one I want to marry.
But honey, you know how important it is for us to consider our family's reputation and social standing. I'm sure this girl you've chosen is lovely, but we need to think about our future as a family. Honey, love is important, but we must also think practically. Marriage is a lifelong commitment, and we need to ensure that you have a stable and secure future. Have you considered how your decision might impact your career and our family's reputation?
I've thought about it extensively, Mom. Emily and I have discussed our plans for the future, and we are both committed to building a strong foundation together. She encourages me to pursue my dreams and has a supportive family who believes in us.
I just want what's best for you, my son. It's difficult for me to accept this sudden revelation, but if you're truly convinced about this girl, maybe I should meet her. I want to see for myself what makes her so special.
Thank you, Mom. I knew you would understand. I'll arrange a meeting so that you can get to know Emily better. I believe once you meet her, you'll see the depth of our love and the strength of our commitment.
Promise me, honey, that you have thought this through and that Emily truly makes you happy. Your happiness means the world to me, and I want to support you in every way I can.
I promise, Mom. I wouldn't have taken this step if I wasn't absolutely certain. I truly believe that Emily and I have what it takes to build a fulfilling life together.
All right, honey. Let's meet Emily and give her a fair chance. If she truly makes you happy and brings out the best in you, then perhaps I can set aside my concerns and embrace your decision.
Thank you, Mother. Your support means everything to me. I'm confident that once you get to know Emily, you'll see the love and happiness we share. I'm grateful for your willingness to keep an open mind.
We hope you thoroughly enjoyed this conversation. If you're eager to further enhance your English skills, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. If you found value in this video, we kindly request you to share it with a friend who might also benefit from it. Thank you sincerely for your unwavering support. Your encouragement means the world to us. Take care and keep learning.